अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं आउटब्रीडिंग डिवाइसेस की, या आप बोल सकते हैं कंट्रोवेंसीज ऑफ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन। आउटब्रीडिंग डिवाइसेस are the adaptations, or you can say these are the mechanisms, maybe morphological, physiological, or behavioral, okay, which ensure cross pollination and discourage self pollination. So any device, be it mechanical, be it physiological, be it behavioral, which ensures cross pollination and discourages self pollination, they are known as outbreeding devices. There are a number of such devices, for example, unisexuality or diclining, dichogamy, self sterility, prepotency. Then we have hercogamy and heterostyle. Today we will specifically talk about dichogamy and unisexuality. First of all, what does unisexuality or diclining mean? यूनिसेक्सुअलिटी का मतलब है एक फ्लावर में एक ही सेक्स ऑर्गन होगा, या तो मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन होगा या फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन होगा, ओके। और यू कैन से यूनिसेक्सुअलिटी refers to the formation of imperfect or unisexual flowers. Imperfect flowers are those flowers which possess only one type of sex organ, okay. And accordingly the flowers are of two types: staminate flowers possessing male sex organ or stamens, you can say, and pistillate flowers having female sex organ or pistils. Now the plants, they may be of different types. The plants may bear either staminate flowers, या तो एक प्लांट पे staminate flowers होंगे, मेल फ्लावर्स होंगे, या पिस्टिलेट फ्लावर्स होंगे, फीमेल फ्लावर्स होंगे, या कुछ प्लांट्स पे देखा गया है बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल फ्लावर्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सेम प्लांट, ओके। याद रखना, एक प्लांट पे इधर स्टेमिनेट फ्लावर्स हो सकते हैं या तो पिस्टिलेट फ्लावर्स हो सकते हैं, और कुछ ऐसी भी कंडीशंस है कि एक ही प्लांट पे पिस्टिलेट फ्लावर्स भी प्रेजेंट है और स्टेमिनेट फ्लावर्स भी प्रेजेंट है. नाउ when staminate and pistillate flowers are present on the same plant, this condition is known as monoecious condition. Example is maize and castor. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, this is the maize plant. Okay, this maize plant, it possesses both types of flowers, female flowers here and male flowers are usually at the top. So maize is a monoecious plant. It has both staminate flowers, male flowers, as well as pistillate or female flowers. Now the second condition is the staminate and pistillate flowers, they are present on different plants, and this condition is called as dioecious condition. यहाँ पे आप papaya की बात करेंगे. In papaya you have this plant which is known as male plant. It possesses flowers which are all male flowers. That means they have all these flowers have only male reproductive part. And we have the female papaya plants. All the female papaya plants, they have the flowers having female reproductive part only. This is known as dioecious condition. That means sex is completed in two different plants. Monoecious condition means sex is completed in a single plant. There are many other examples, like we have Vallisneria, date palm, and mulberry. So unisexuality or dicliny, which literally means the formation of imperfect or unisexual flowers, it is an outbreeding device, because you can see in a dioecious condition the only way of reproducing is to go for cross pollination, because a plant only contains one type of flowers. Cross pollination is the only way out to reproduce. Now the second outbreeding device is dichogamy. What does dichogamy mean? It refers to the maturation of male and female sex organs at different times in a bisexual flower. What does bisexual flower mean? Bisexual flower का मतलब है a flower which is perfect, which is having both male and female reproductive parts. Okay, so dichogamy means in a bisexual flower when male and female reproductive parts mature at different times, and this is also a way of achieving cross pollination and avoiding self pollination. And this dichogamy, it is further of two types, protandry and protogyny. तो protandry का मतलब क्या है? In protandry, the anthers they mature earlier than stigma, and therefore self pollination is not possible. It has been reported in Saxifraga, impatiens, salvia, and sunflower. Here you can see this is in this flower. You can see the anthers are mature. That means they are ready to shed their pollen grains, but the stigma is not receptive. Okay, when the pollen grains are shed, only after that the stigma becomes receptive. So pollen grains are ready, but stigma is not ready. Now the stigma is ready, pollen grains are nowhere. They have already been shed, and this avoids self pollination. So protandry का मतलब है pro means first, proto means first, and andry means एंड्रोशियम. एंड्रोशियम पहले मैच्योर हो जाता है. इसी तरह प्रोटोगाइनी है. प्रोटो मीन्स फर्स्ट एंड गाइनी मीन्स गाइनोशियम. दैट मीन्स गाइनोशियम मैच्योर्स फर्स्ट. द स्टिग्मा मैच्योर्स अर्लियर देन एंथर. हियर यू कैन सी द स्टिग्मा इज मैच्योर, it is receptive, but the anthers they are yet to mature. They mature at a later time period. Okay, so यहाँ पे pollination already हुई होगी, लेकिन इसका अपना pollen अभी ready नहीं है. The pollen will be shed at a later time interval. So protandry and protogyny, which are actually the two types of dichogamy, they avoid self pollination and favor cross pollination. So with this we have completed two outbreeding devices. In the next part we will go with the rest. Till then, take care.